So today I am making butternut squash soup. You'll need butternut squash, 2 garlic cloves, sea salt, and extra virgin olive oil. So I went ahead and peeled and chopped, diced the butternut squash into these pieces, and I put in a bowl, and now I am ready to cook them. So now in a medium saucepan, you're going to take your butternut squash and place it in the saucepan, and you're going to add water to it. You're going to cook this for about 20 minutes or until your butternut squash is nice and tender. But first, let's add some extra virgin olive oil. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now take the lid and cover your saucepan and turn on the heat to medium and cook the butternut squash for about 20 minutes. Okay, now that my butternut squash has cooked until tender, it should look like this. And now I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. Now add your garlic with your garlic masher. And now add 1/4 teaspoon of your sea salt. Now let's go to the blender. You see that water that was left over from the butternut squash when we cooked it? You're gonna pour it into your blender because you will be mixing your butternut squash to make your soup. Now we're adding the butternut squash that we cooked into the blender so we can blend. Now blend on high until smooth. Now we're going to take our blended squash and pour it back into the saucepan. And on low heat, we are going to simmer it until boil for about 5 minutes or so. Now my butternut squash soup has thickened and it's ready to eat.